Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, today's video is very important for teachers or tutors or freelancers, because in today's video I will teach you how you can design a class schedule in Canva. So guys, stay tuned for this video and let's get started. So guys, if you don't know about Canva or what are the features of Canva, so you can go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to playlist section, and there is a playlist I uploaded on Canva designing, so you can watch from the beginning and then you can understand about Canva and other its features. So let's get started. I click on search bar and write here class schedule. So you have options: classroom schedule, daily class schedule, etc. So I click on class schedule. So it shows us different templates like this, but I click on create a blank class schedule. So it is loading. Uh, it just takes some seconds, so bear with me. So that's it. So now we select from templates and then customize any template. Like I like this one, so I click on this, and first of all I would like to change the background color. Background color, I think white is good. Yes, I like this one. And after that I want to change the color of this classroom and schedule in yellow. Yeah, that's good. And after that I also change this element color in like any light color. Yeah, this good, and that's good. So after that we have to change the font, and I select all fonts with help of control key, and I want to change the font. So no, this is not good. There is a font called Babus New. Yeah, I like this font. And after that I want to change the color of these. Now I have to change the color of the text. And now I want to change the background color of like this, and that's good. So guys, our customization is done. So that's it for today. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and please share it with your friends and family so they can also learn some new skills and start earning through it by providing services on different freelancing platforms. So guys, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.